Okay, hello there, audience. Maybe I see you, maybe I don't. Maybe I'm fucking staring you in the eyes. Look at me. Do it now. Okay. Anyway. Is I gonna enter? No, fucking wrong way. No, that's not the wrong way. It's the wrong way. Just fucking weird sound. My hair like that? Goddamn. Okay. Yeah, this is how I. Yeah, this is the shithole I live in. This is just the kitchen. Goddamn. This is the kitchen. Actually, you haven't seen my room, and you don't want to either. Think of dog crap. Think of dog shit. Multiply it by 2. That's my room. Not in smell, and fucking messiness. God damn. Well, I got something in my fridge to show you. Hold on, give me a sec. Guys, every time I fucking see this, I'll be right back. I gotta go. I gotta give my brother a second. He's on his way. That's my brother, Evil.
What the fuck are you doing?
That's my brother.
You needed me to hold the fridge.
Yes, hold the fridge open. That's. Can you see it?
Who the fuck are you talking to?
God damn it, Jesse! Shut up. Just hold the fridge. Yes, this is. He's not fucking laughing. Yeah. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you for your help. Shut up, bitch. We don't really like each other. You can't tell. He's fucking annoying. There's my cat. Do you see him? It's the thing moving. Oh, there's my other cat. God damn. Cats are everywhere. Fucking hell. Cat, where the hell did you go? Oh, fucking hell. It's my other cat. Come on, camera. Shady. Babies? I'm the real Cat Shady. I'm Cat Shady, the real Cat Shady. Her name's Shady. Ew! Oh, fucking hell. You idiot! You're too stupid to be alive. How are you still alive? On my shirt, really? God damn it. Have it on your fur. So you know how I feel. Let her down. Hold on. Who's that sexy kitty? Who's that sexy kitty? Fuck it up. Who's that sexy kitty? Who's that sexy kitty? Who's that? It's looking at you. It's looking at you. Who's that sexy kitty? She'll go ape shit crazy for the cursor. God damn. Yeah, this is why I'm making no fucking videos. Well, yeah, subscribe, like, become a, hold on, let me think for a second. This is gonna have, like, no views, cannot think of a fucking name for this. God damn. Oh, well, fuck it. I'll think of something later. Goodbye!